Hi everyone. Which volume developer should I use with my color? This is one of the questions we get a lot. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Color, and today the doctor is in to tell you which volume developer to use with your color. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, the rules are as follows. If you're looking to do level on level and tone down coloring, use 10 volt because you don't need to open the cuticle too much. 10 volt is good enough. 1 to 2 levels lift with Ugly Duckling color, use 20 volt developer. 2 to 3 levels lift, use 30 volume developer. You're doing gray hair coverage, whether it's level on level or not, we recommend that you use 20 volume developer. You'll be able to open the cuticle more and you'll get better gray hair coverage that way. The toners, you're going to need to use your judgment. If you're doing just a quick toning and you don't want to touch the base, then 5 or 10 volt would be the right strength. But if you've got really brassy hair and you want to lift up the hair a little bit, get the brassiness out and lift and make it brighter and blonder, then 20 volt would be appropriate. If you're using Ugly Duckling intense pearl blonde toners, intense silver blonde toners, 20 volt is what we'd recommend. And if you want to do high lift coloring, that is lift 3 levels and more without using bleach, use 30 volt. Now what happens if you want to do more than 3 levels lift, more than 4 levels lift? In that case, you would definitely need to use bleach first and then color, and not try and tweak your developer strength in order to get results which your regular color cannot give you. As far as mix ratios goes, for most Ugly Duckling colors, 1:1 is a right mix ratio. For toners and for high lift colors, 2 parts developer to 1 part bleach. And the development times, as are given here below, 30 minutes for regular colors, 10 to 15 minutes for quick toning, and 40 to 50 minutes for high lift colors. Now, people sometimes ask us, what happens, I want to go a bit lighter. What happens if I use a higher strength? What happens if I put in 40 volt developer? And the answer is colors are made to work in a certain way. You can't really, if you put in 40 volt developer, what's going to happen is you're not going to get a very good mix of coloration and lifting. You will lift a little bit more, but you may end up with a more watery color and color that is less long lasting and is less bright. So we don't recommend it. We recommend that if you're trying to lift more than 3 levels, use a bleach first or use a high lift color rather than tweak the developer strength. Okay, that's good. Thanks very much.